Let's replace the auto sensor on this 2018 Chevy Equinox with the 1.5 engine. Here are the tools needed: T30, pick, and the auto sensor socket. Alright, and a ratchet here. That's it, create. And the new auto sensor, obviously. We're replacing the top auto sensor here, right there. Right, it is on the driver's side. So let's remove the engine cover here. Oil cap off. Take that bolt off, T30. Here's our auto sensor. Let's unplug it. Okay. Let's push this white tab out, and we're gonna push down on it and unplug it. Or what you can do, if it doesn't want to come out, you put the P in there like this. Put it. There it is. Now let's remove it. There it is. Alright, here is the old one now. Here is a new one. So let's take the cap off. And we're gonna start screwing it by hand. Now let's do the final tightening. Very good here. Great, plug it in. And that's it, guys. Now all you gotta do and put everything back in and clear codes. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.